Welcome back to Fair Value Study. We are less than an hour away from the opening bell, and US markets are looking at a major green open. Let's dive straight into what is moving your money today. Futures are flashing green across the board. Leading the charge, Nasdaq futures are up 1.2% at 29,719. S&P 500 futures are gaining 0.85%, hovering at 7,465. Meanwhile, Dow futures are up 0.46% at 52,447, and the small-cap Russell 2000 is adding 0.47% at 3,036. So, what is fueling this pre-market rally? It is all about geopolitics. Equity indexes jumped following reports that the US and Iran have successfully backed away from a fresh escalation over the weekend. Both sides agreed to halt tit-for-tat attacks, breathing new life into the fragile ceasefire underpinning ongoing peace talks. This is a massive breath of fresh air for Wall Street, especially after a brutal week for tech that saw heavyweights like Nvidia and Alphabet slide more than 8%. Over in commodities, West Texas Intermediate crude is trading at $70.05 a barrel, up 1.18%. While oil spiked early on Strait of Hormuz tensions, gains are tempering as tankers continue safely crossing the strait, easing immediate supply disruption fears. With geopolitical anxiety cooling off, we are seeing a classic risk-on rotation out of safe havens. Gold is pulling back, shedding 0.92% to $4,058 an ounce, while silver drops 1.7% to 58.66. Looking at bonds and volatility, the 10-year Treasury yield is down slightly at 4.372%. The VIX fear gauge is sliding 0.6% to 18.30, confirming the market's calmer mood. In the currency market, the euro and the British pound are posting minor gains against the greenback, while the Japanese yen softens, pushing USD JPY up slightly to 161.87. And in the crypto space, Bitcoin is holding steady around $60,351, while XRP shows solid momentum, climbing over 1% to 1.0613. Overseas markets are providing a mixed backdrop. The UK's FTSE 100 is down a fraction, while Japan's Nikkei 225 gained 0.15%, tracking the optimistic sentiment over here. As we kick off the week, keep this big picture in mind. The Russell 2000 and the Dow are on track to finish the week higher, while the S&P and Nasdaq are still fighting to erase deep losses from the recent tech sell-off. The two critical themes to watch this week? First, whether the US-Iran ceasefire holds heading into Tuesday's pivotal peace talks in Qatar. Second, alter your calendars. Because of the upcoming holiday, the high-stakes June jobs report drops on Thursday, not Friday. That is your pre-market breakdown for June 29th. We will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Stock investing involves risk. Please conduct your own research before making any investment.